Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will show you how to paint a flower with acrylic paints and Elmer's School glue. So I mixed Elmer's School glue, 70% glue to 30% water mixed together to get the pouring medium. And then I mixed my paints 1:1 with pouring medium and added water to consistency. And this is the consistency. And this color is Carnation pink from Vallejo, and I have 24 karat gold by Amsterdam, and I have Naphtol crimson by Vallejo, and pearl white, and Maimeri Bordeaux red. And I will start layering my paints. I should say that I will start pouring my paints over my flower-shaped dessert cup. So, carnation pink and 24K gold. So I'm using this 24K gold and pearl white for some lacing effect. Wow, this one looks thick. It's such a gorgeous red color. I hope that I will not get too much pink here. And pearl white. And Bordeaux red. And I'm working on 10 by 10 inch canvas today, and my black base is Amsterdam Oxide black. So let's do gold now. And carnation pink. It's kind of an ivory, but with some interesting shade. I really looking forward to see how this will look. And I did add red next and pearl white. There is a lot of air bubbles in this school glue mixture. And Bordeaux red again. And gold again. Carnation and crimson and pearl white. I don't know, I think that my pearl white is a little thick. It's hard because this glue mixture is very different than my pouring medium, and I don't have quite a feeling with it. But this cool glue is something that all of you in States can buy, and I just want to show you that you can create some nice flower with reverse flower dip technique with school glue. Hopefully I can see some nice effects already, so hopefully it will work. And now I will draw some kind of petal shapes with the skewer, and then I will turn my cup for a quarter, no, 1/6 of a turn, or and go once more with gold and carnation pink and naphtol red and I will add just Bordeaux red, so I didn't add pearl white here because I want more concentrated colors kind of here. Okay, I will spray my paper napkin with water to soften it down a little bit, not so much, just a little spray, because I find it easier to lift if I spray it, but before my napkin I have to remove that. And I will drag through the petals on the outside and through the petals on the inside towards the middle. Okay. I think that I have a lot of paint, but there will be too much paint, I can still spin it. Okay. And the other half. It looks so pretty underneath. I hope that it will look pretty when I will lift my napkin too. Sorry for my black finger, but okie doke. So first two corners and the second two corners. This one, and I will try to not lift it much while I'm doing that, because you can lose all the beauty of your pattern underneath. Now I will just connect those sides, and I did an awful job. I can already saw when I start that. Here. So definitely need a spin. So I will just pour some black around. What an awful job with lifting. Let's see. just try to balance it a little bit. Okay. Oh my, this was not my best flower. I'm just debating to tilt it totally over the edge because I kind of don't like those edges here. So I will do that. Okay. Now I'm done. Because there is only one. I want to cover it a little bit. So here is a close-up. At first I wasn't sure, but now I love it. I love all this transparency with spinning it out and those details on petals, kind of, you see, they're just amazing. So even though that I wasn't sure at first, I love it now. And as you can see, school glue works quite nice for this technique. For those who know me, knows that I use my pouring medium normally, and this gold, when it will dry, it will just line up these petals really nice, I think. But the school glue, I think that it's the second thing that I like, the second pouring medium that you can get kind of nice effects with this technique. So I hope that this helps. If you will have some questions, I can do I will have live stream pouring on Saturday, and I can explain a little more about school glue mixture if you want. But for now, yes, it is a little more pinkish shade that I was hoping for, but this Bordeaux red will dry a little more, a little darker, and after all, I think it's okay. And I have my phone. Bye, see you on the next one.